Lose weight, quit smoking completely, blah, blah, blah. Don't get me wrong, these are pretty good ideas, but the thing here is that for each and every year, we keep making the same resolutions without actually sticking to them. So in 2022, why not shake things up? Maybe you could try creating different ideas in different varieties. So in today's video, I'm going to give you top 20 New Year resolution in 2022 that will better your life. So without much talk, let's swipe into it. Number one, put God first. You see, I am not overly concerned with science's opinion or beliefs about the known existence of Christ. I have an unwavering faith on the metaphysical and the physical nature of things, and the metaphysical is actually God. In everything you do, you should definitely put God first. Because once you put God first, you can never come last. Once you put God first in everything you do, every other thing actually falls into place. Whatever thing you do, if you getting up in the morning and pray to God, if you're passing through difficulties, you talk to God. If you're passing through things that you really do not have any ideas about, then you have to talk to God. Putting God first is actually the right thing to actually consider in 2022, and you never regret doing that. Number two, be disciplined. You see, success in life and in business is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Your ability to keep putting one foot in front of the other, no matter how difficult it is, no matter what the weather is like, or no matter what people are saying, or no matter the kind of way you're feeling, is what will actually get you to the finish line. It doesn't really matter what you are trying to achieve, but if you can never be disciplined, then you might probably never get it right. What is discipline? It's identifying your true goal, then act every single day in accordance to that idea. If you want to get into shape, it simply means maintaining your diet, hitting the gym each and every day. It doesn't really matter what the weather out there says, whether it's rainy. It doesn't really matter if you don't feel like it or there are some other distractions you would rather go do. Discipline has no excuse whatsoever. Number three, have a plan. You see, like the cliche phrase goes, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Now, it's literally impossible to start up a building without having a sketch or without having a plan. Definitely, you have to have a plan for the foundation up to the rooftop. Going into 2022, you definitely will have goals you would want to achieve. So you have to put these goals down. You write it in your diary or write it in a book or something of that sort. For some of you who are quite okay with mental picture of what you want to achieve, then that's okay. But for me, I would prefer you write it down. Write a plan of what you want to achieve each and every day, or in a month, or in a year. So at the end of the day, you have to tick if you achieve so and so plan and give reasons why you couldn't achieve this particular. For the ones you couldn't achieve, then you have to work very hard to achieve them the next times. Number four, mind your business. In the world today, with the emergence of the internet, it's pretty easy to get distracted by what others are doing. It's pretty easy to get distracted comparing yourself with others. But the thing here is this: the same energy you use in comparing yourself with others, the same energy you use in following trends, in gossiping, in talking about celebrities who don't know a damn thing about you, will be the exact same energy you invest in fixing yourself. Successful people don't worry themselves about other people. They are busy working on their own grass to even notice if yours is greener. The more you mind your business, the less drama you have in your life and the more success you achieve. Keep your nose out of another person's mess and only sweep the front of your own door. In 2022, for you to get better, then you have to take minding your business as a full-time job, so stay employed. Number five, read books. You know what? I've said this thing before and I'm still going to say it today. Successful people read a whole lot of books. You need to start reading, and you must start doing it right now going into 2022. Reading is better than watching videos or listening to audiobooks because the brain processes text in a different way. When you watch a video, the visualization of the information is only seen on the screen, but when you read, the information is processed within and it has some correlation to your memory and your realities. Nowadays, reading is actually underrated. The problem with the society today, they feel like they know everything, so reading is not necessary, but that is a lie. reading is quite important. Number 6, be health conscious. Health is wealth is actually a cliche that we need to remind ourselves each and every time. When I talk about be health conscious, I'm basically pointing at 5 variables. Number 1, make a time outside work to rest and recoup. Number 2, try as much as possible to have enough sleep. Number 3, try as much as possible to have regular exercises. Number 4, make eating homemade meals a priority. Eating outside cuts your finances and your health. Number 5, cut down on self-medications. We have to remind ourselves that health is like money. We can never have the true idea of its value until we lose it. Number 7, watch your circle. 2022 is actually that year you need to sit down and have a reflection about your friends. Who are your friends? Are they people who only talk about how to go after girls, how to chase after men? Or are people who only talk about smoking or how to go out to ball, how to go out to dine, how to go out to spend money or to buy expensive things to look rich on Instagram or on Facebook? Then those are not the kind of friends you need. The friends you need are friends who are supportive of your dreams, are people who can motivate you, and people who can inspire you. You need friends who are true reflection of who you want to become or how you want to feel. Also, you need to know that not every of your friends will be happy with your progress and definitely cannot handle your big dreams. So you need just one true friend rather than having a bunch of unproductive and jealous people. Remember, it is quality over quantity. The smaller your circle, the clearer your vision. Number 8, have a positive mindset. You know what? The mind is actually very instrumental in anything we intend to achieve in life. For any meaningful development to come towards you, it simply means you have to train your mind in a way it sees good in every situation. If you experience any failure whatsoever, if you experience any setback, if you experience any loss in your life or in the course of your business whatsoever, or in the course of your career, a positive mindset is that thing that keeps you focused. It's that particular thing that keeps you going. A positive mindset tells you to be brave in every situation you find yourself. A positive mindset tells you to dream big. A positive mindset tells you that there's a possibility in impossibility. A positive mindset gives you a can-do kind of spirit that you can achieve everything. A positive mindset is that mindset that spurs you to achieve success. Number 9, expect less from people. You know what? People will disappoint you. People will let you down in this life. Promises will be broken. So it's high time you started learning how to expect less from people and trust more in yourself. I'm aware that sometimes we expect a whole lot from people because we've done a whole lot for them or because these are people we are willing to go the extra miles for. But the truth of the matter is that the bitter truth is that being a good man doesn't guarantee anybody to be good to you as well. You can't possibly control how others treat you, and you cannot possibly control how people behave towards you. So in 2022, you should be your self-care, you should be your self-finance, you should be your self-love, you should be your self-support system, you should be your self-inspiration, and you should be your self-motivation. The less you expect from people, the less hurt and disappointment you get. And there's something I want you to understand. Nobody owes you anything. Have that at the back of your mind. Number 10, be original. In the world we have today, it's very easy for people to live a fake life because our social status is now largely determined by some social media apps. Our social status is being validated by the blue ticks on Instagram, on Facebook, and on Twitter. So what happens now, you see people competing against themselves. In order to live to that social media hypes, people live a whole lot of fake life. People hide behind high definition filter just to post pictures on Instagram so that they get validated or they have some level of gratification. You know what? Everybody is taken, so there's no need to live like someone else. It's better people love you for who you are than for who you are not. Also, you don't have to fake it before you make it. Fake people have an image to maintain, and that could be very stressful, and this can stifle your personal growth and your personal finance. So in 2022, be yourself. Number 11, learn a new skill. You know what? The world has experienced tremendous evolution since the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, and this has actually affected the general order of things. So it simply means the future belongs to those who have managed to learn a new skill and could apply them in a creative way to create passive income for themselves and to create second stream of income. So in 2022 going forward, never be scared to learn a new skill. No matter where you are in your present career, never be scared to learn and monetize a new skill. It's actually going to be a plus. So you can actually learn skills from different departments. You can learn language, you can learn designing, you can learn video editing, you can learn video production. There are lots of skills to learn out there. You can even learn YouTube and earn a lot with YouTube. So there's no excuse whatsoever in 2022. It is your year to make that breakthrough. Number 12, get a 5 to 9 job. You know, if you ask somebody today the secret to success or the easiest way to success, the person might likely tell you that is to own a business or to own an investment or to become an entrepreneur. But the truth of the whole matter is, not everyone is called out to be a CEO. Not everyone will be a boss at the end of the day. The most important thing is, have you achieved your goal in a particular place in time? Have you achieved your goal in a particular career? So finding your purpose could be anywhere. Finding your purpose could be in businesses, could actually be in a 5 to 9 job. So once you get a 5 to 9 job that resonates with the kind of career you want, with the kind of purpose you have, then you are actually a fulfilled person. So never ever feel more like getting a 5 to 9 job is actually a waste of time. It will help you from there. You can scale it up and get other things to add to it. Number 13, listen to what people say about you. Now, I'm going to be a little bit complicated about this particular one because a whole lot of people hide behind the phrase, don't listen to what people say about you, to continue with their flaws and to continue with their bad attitudes. Nobody is perfect in this life whatsoever. So sometimes what people say about you is actually true. So what do you do about this particular thing is to be wise about it. Look for those areas you actually feel you are not doing it right and try to fix things up so that you become a better person. Everybody looks perfect. Everybody looks good in front of their own mirror. But you know, the true reflection of our real self sometimes is in front of another person's mirror. So when next you hear people talking about you, try to seek for truth in that particular thing and work towards it. Number 14, take responsibility for your failures. You know what? The journey to creating a career for yourself has two paths. We have success and we have failure. And the both paths are actually your responsibility. Failures is actually an inevitable phenomenon in this life. Everybody goes through failure at some point in their life. But what actually makes people different from others is their attitude towards failure. If your attitude is good towards failure, like you take responsibility for it, then it will be easy for you to bounce back. But if you have a very poor attitude towards it, that means you don't want to take responsibility, then you keep sinking down below. Listen to me, let me tell you something. Stop blaming people for your failures. Stop blaming the government. Stop blaming your family. Stop blaming friends. Start taking responsibility today. Stop making excuses for your failure and stop justifying your failure. Look for a proper attitude and you will make success in this 2022. Number 15, show kindness and respect. You know, you can tell if a man has character by the way he treats others. The world has suffered over the last 3 years. So in 2022, you have to show some level of kindness to people as a way of giving back to the society. You can help the poor. You can actually support those who are in need. Also, you should learn how to respect other people. It has come to a point that we human beings have to realize that we all have rights the way we see things. We all have rights to our own opinions. We all have right to the religion we believe in, ethnicity or whatsoever. So show respect to people no matter their class, no matter their age, or no matter their financial status. there's one thing I want to tell you: kindness always has a way of coming back to you. Number 16, punch fear in the face. You know, a whole lot of people are scared of so many things. They are scared of success, they are scared of failures, they are scared about what people are going to say about them. They are actually afraid with the outcome of a particular action. They are scared that what if this particular thing doesn't happen? What if I don't have the right idea to start up this business? What if this business fails? What if I'm not in the right environment? The what if. But let me ask you this particular question. What if you start up something and it actually works? So the thing that we don't want to take into 2022 is fear. So in 2022, you have to punch fear in the face and start up whatever thing you want to start. Let me remind you, fear is just an acronym that stands for false evidence appearing real. Number 17, be appreciative. Being appreciative actually has two dimensions. The first dimension is to be appreciative of people. Now, you have to be appreciative to people who do things to you, no matter how small or no matter how big that particular thing is. Remember, nobody owes you anything. Let's say, for instance, somebody bought you a gift. You should be appreciating the heart behind the gift rather than the size of the gift. The second dimension is to be appreciative of the little strides you've made in life. It's very easy to lose sight of our very beginning, to lose sight of the little wins or the little strides we make in the process of trying to achieve the bigger picture. But the gist here is that any day you start appreciating the little successes you have, it will spur you on, it will motivate you to reach to the bigger picture. So have an appreciative mind. This 2022 is going to help you. Number 18, take charge of your finance. You know what? If 2020 and 2021 did not teach you anything about finance, then you must have been sleeping while others were awake. The world has actually changed a whole lot when it comes to finance. So, taking charge of your finance has these 5 steps. Number 1, you should stop spending money on things that are not necessary. Number 2, you should learn how to save money. Number 3, you should use this money you've saved to actually reinvest it in another business that will bring you more money. Also, number 4, you should learn some new skills. You should actually engage yourself in new side hustles so that you have multiple streams of income. While number 5, you should live below your income. I actually have videos on my channel that specifically talk about how to take charge of your finance. I will link them at the end of this video, so please endeavor to check it. Number 19, filter the internet. In this current dispensation, the internet has affected virtually everything of human life. It has affected the way we perceive people. It has affected our psyche. It has affected the way we feel about our body. It has affected our religious belief. It has affected the way we dress. It has affected our relationship life. It has affected our marriage. It has affected the way we even treat people. It has affected the way we relate with people. It has created a whole lot of competition. It has created a whole lot of fake life. It has created a whole lot of harm in the society out there. It has created a whole lot of things that we never believed it would. But the thing here is that going into 2022, you need to take charge of your life by filtering the internet. Filtering the internet simply means getting those information which are necessary and use them for your own good, while the ones which are not necessary, you trash them. Number 20, embrace change. You know what? One of the greatest failures is to keep doing one particular thing again and again and again and expecting a different result. Nobody is tied to a particular thing. If a business is not working, if a career is not working, if a particular idea is not working, if it's not getting the right traction, if a particular thing you're doing is not working right, then there's no need to keep doing them and having the same failures. Why not try something new? Why not move from that place you are into a new environment? Moving from that place you are into a new environment might just create a different success story in your life. Who knows? Where you are might actually be a hindrance. A particular idea you're holding so tight to might be a hindrance, but moving to another environment might just be where your luck is. So in 2022, please do not be scared to move into a new environment, to try something new, to create new adventures for yourself. It's going to help you. So let me ask you, how many of these New Year's resolution have you made in the past? The ones that worked and the ones that couldn't work. Also, how many of these ones I've mentioned today do you intend to make in the year 2022? Leave a comment down below. Let's all discuss. And also, if you found any value whatsoever in this video, why not consider to click on the subscribe button, and also do not forget to boop the like button, as it's going to help with the YouTube algorithm. And also, for more information on how to take charge of your finance, do not forget to click on this link right here. And also, I want to wish you happy Xmas in advance and a prosperous new year. Until then, see you later.